Rich is over by the pack and play. There's some on the floor. Richard, are you enjoying your new car? Look, Grandma's gonna put something in the trunk. Where'd that go? There you go, Riz.
Hey, you can sit on that anyway. Maybe you'll figure out how to move it. You make it go boom boom.
It'll probably happen by accident.
Boom boom. Yeah, you make it go boom boom.
She's like, Grandma, don't let me fall off.
No.
Yeah, that's your car.
Can you make it go boom boom?
Grandma and Grandpa.
There you go.
Yeah. She sure can.
Nice.
It's like a self-perpetuating math problem. Oh, Rizza.
Yeah, move forward a little bit. Try that again.
We've got lots of carpeting.
Yeah, seriously.